Hi everyone, my name is Rolando from Dubai. For sure, lots of you are witnessing my success in my self-publishing business through the YouTube channel of my mentor, Mr. Kasim, which is the Passive Passion Online Business. Okay, today's video is a major testimonial because I have grown my business from $2,500 to $5,000 average monthly income, which is fair enough, right? Okay, I'm going to discuss with you the 3 reasons why you need to get a mentorship or why you need to get a proper or a coach that is going to guide you along the way if you're going to venture in any type of business. Okay, the first one is the importance of your time and money. The importance of your time and money. You can save your time and money if you're going to have a mentor, or you can go. You have two choices. You can go on your own, or you can get a mentor. If you want to go on your own, you're going to get information from different people without any validation. Aside from that, you're going to get lots of ideas or information from internet as well, without any validation. Okay, but if you're going to have a mentor like Mr. Kasim, is going to guide you along the way from the start till you reach whatever the dream that you're aiming for. Okay, and the second one is the margin of error. Margin of error. Okay, margin of error. If you have a mentor with you, there's no room for margin of error for you, because these mentors or all of these coaches, which you think that you can trust, have been through to all this kind of trials. They've been to different channels, different routes, and they learn from it, and that's why they're on their pedestal right now. Okay, and the third one is the accountability factor. Accountability factor doesn't have, or lots of coaches doesn't have this accountability factor, but I see this kind of traits to Mr. Kasim. He's quite strict, he's tough, but it's going to give you it's going to motivate you and inspire you along the way, just for you to reach whatever the goal that you're aiming for. Okay guys, these are all the 3 main reasons so that you will be successful to any types of business that you're going through. You have to get a mentor in your life. Okay, now my next milestone is $10,000, which hopefully by end of this month or by next month, because I just ordered more books to put or additional in my shelves, and hopefully $10,000 is on the way, and for sure I'm going to hit that because Mr. Kasim is with me, or is not going to let me down. Okay, so what are you waiting for, guys? Start your self-publishing business ASAP and get the mentorship of Kasim if you want to be successful like me. Thank you very much, guys. God bless and enjoy your day.